In this video, I'll show you how to send Bitcoin from Kraken to Ledger. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So let's begin. Okay, so if you have funds on the Kraken exchange and would like to know how to transfer those funds safely across to a hardware wallet such as Ledger, here's some step-by-step guide that we will explore today. Right, so first step is from Kraken to Ledger device. So using the Ledger Live mobile application, locate the asset you would like to withdraw from Kraken to your Ledger hardware device and click the receive button. Now you need to connect your hardware Ledger device to a computer and unlock it by entering your PIN number. After doing so, your Ledger device will synchronize with the Ledger Live app and show the new receive address for the chosen crypto asset on the screen. Of course, you need to click verify. The new receive address will appear on the Ledger Live app screen. Make sure both addresses are the same. If they are, click the copy address icon. Sign into your Kraken account and navigate over to the funding tab. Withdraw and use the search bar to find the crypto asset you're looking to move your Ledger device. Of course, you need to paste the receive address from your Ledger Live app on the withdrawal address box. And finally, enter the amount of the chosen cryptocurrency you wish to send to your Ledger device and click the withdraw button. A window will appear outlining the details of the transaction. And if you're satisfied with everything, click withdraw again to confirm the transfer. Now for clients who have two-factor authentication enabled on their Kraken accounts, you will be requested to enter a code from your authentication app before the transaction can be processed. Now if you're planning to make some Kraken to Trezor device, here's what you can do, alright? Connect your Trezor hardware wallet to a computer and lock the device. Visit the official Trezor website and download the desktop app or use the website suite. Click on the accounts, click receive button. And of course, you copy the full address showed in the Trezor desktop app or website. Sign into your Kraken account and navigate over to the funding. Paste the receive address and finally enter the amount. For clients again who have two-factor authentication enabled on their Kraken accounts, you will be requested to enter a code. Alright? And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you all in the next video.